Hey travelers, today I have the second in a series of guest room tours that we're going to share with you. This is from Amanda, my colleague at the travel agent next door. She is taking us on a tour today of the Iberostar resort. This is the Selection Paraiso Lindo resort, and it's located in the Riviera Maya in Cancun, basically at Puerto Morelos. And today she's going to take us on a tour of her room and show you what it looks like. So let's go check it out.
We're at the Iberostar Selection Paraiso Lindo Resort, room 5044. This is considered a junior suite garden view. Walking in, you have the bathroom directly to the left. Nice big open shower. Always love having a big vanity to put all our stuff. Again, we've been in this room for a little bit now. On the other side of the front door, we've got a big, huge closet. Your in-room safe. There's decent enough hangers. We're two women though, so we did definitely fill them all up. You've got your coffee maker. This resort is very eco-friendly, so there is no plastic water bottles. You do need to go to a water station and fill these up, or you can bring your own containers from home. Mini bar, lightly stocked. The bottle of water that is in there is from us from a previous resort, so I'm not fibbing about the bottled water. Space to unpack. Large, big TV, 2 double beds, storage in these, a few drawers and a few shelves. Spacious, spacious, spacious. This rack is probably meant for drying your bathing suit, but as I said, we ran out of hangers. And we also bring our own diffuser, so everything smells lovely. Probably used to be a sofa bed or a couch over in this area here. Just seems like a big space. And we've got a jacuzzi on the patio. Seating for 2. This is a garden view because even though the ocean is that little bits of white sand and the turquoise ocean behind it, it is blocked by the gardens. So this is room block 50 at the Iberostar Selection Paraiso Lindo Resort.
I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a great tour by Amanda and gave us a chance to see, what's included in the mini bar, what the bathroom setup is like. And as you know, it did have a private door for the whole bathroom area. So that's always an important factor for a lot of us. So thanks again to Amanda for doing the tour. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.